How to add any credit or debit card to your Apple Wallet. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add any credit or debit card to your Apple Wallet. So before we begin with that, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First step, open up your wallet. After you've opened up your wallet, you'll see the plus icon on the top. Tap on the plus icon and you'll see this Add to Wallet section. Now, head over to this debit or credit card. After you've done that, you can tap on Continue. Now, you can hold your card near your phone like this, or you can enter your details manually. If you enter your details manually, you can first type in your card number. After you typed in your card number, you'll then need to give more information such as the CVV, the expiration date, and such. So follow the prompt and you're basically good. You can also scan the card with a camera, so it's basically automatic. And that's how you can add any credit or debit card to your Apple Wallet. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye.